Alrighty, little scientists. I have all of my materials. I have a marker. Be careful with this because if you put it on your skin, it will not come off. Well, it will, but not for a while. I also have a baggie. It is better if your baggie has no design on it, but I couldn't find one. So it's okay if it has a little bit of a design on it. You also need some food coloring. If you have blue food coloring, it is best, but I only have yellow, so I will use yellow. If you don't have any, that is also okay. And water. So we are making the water cycle. Now, in order to make the water cycle, we need to remember the 4 parts of the water cycle that we learned. So we learned the water vapor that comes up. We learned that the sun makes the water vapor come up. The clouds hold all of the water, and then the rain comes back down. So in order to make our water cycle, first, I want us to draw the water cycle on here. What I will do first is I will make my, little hill, maybe my hill, and then I'll make my little ocean. See, just like that. And then I'm going to show the water vapor. Now the water vapor goes up. So I'm going to make some little squiggly lines that show the water going up, just like this. Careful, the marker is still wet. After the water vapor goes up, what does it see? Or maybe I should say, how is the water vapor going up? Because of the sun. The sun makes the water vapor go up. I'll even add another arrow. Choo-choo. Once the sun makes the water vapor go up, what does it turn into? What does it turn into? A cloud or clouds. So I will draw myself a little cloud. And then what happens when there's too much water in this cloud? It's too heavy. What happens? Good, it falls. And when it falls, it is like rain. All right, your baggie should look like my baggie. I also wrote all 4 parts of my water cycle. Water vapor, sun, clouds, rain. Water vapor, sun, clouds, rain. And it's a big old cycle. So now we need to add our rain. I am in the kitchen just in case it gets messy. I don't want to make a big mess on my desk, and so I've put myself in the kitchen. I have some water, and you know what? I'm going to grab myself a bowl. Okay, I grabbed myself a bowl because I don't want to spill my water everywhere. And what I'm going to do is make sure my baggie is dry, and then if mom and dad or grandma or grandpa or IE is there, have them help you with this. I'm going to open my baggie like this so that I can pour my water. This is going to be like my ocean. Now I don't want too much in there, just enough to kind of show how much water there is. There you go. Whoa, ocean! All right, but my water is clear. I can't really see it very well, so I'm going to add a drop of my food coloring. I don't need very much, just a little. See how if it were blue, it would be better because water is blue. water's not yellow. So, oops, but oh well. Swoosh my food coloring around. Now ask Mom and Dad to help you close the bag. Tight like that. Now, what you are going to do is you are going to go hang your water cycle up in the sun. And then you are going to watch it. I bet after your water is in the sun for a while, you will start to see some water vapor. And then once you have all of the water vapor up here and like a cloud, I bet you will start to see it dripping back down like rain. I'm so excited to observe this. So I'm going to go hang this on my window, and I want you to go hang it on your window that sees a lot of sun. And I want you to observe it every once in a while, okay? It won't happen right away, but maybe tomorrow morning go look at it, or this afternoon go look at it, and keep it up there for a few days and always observe it, okay? I can't wait for you to see your water cycle happening. Go ahead and put this on your window and then finish your classwork. Thanks, guys.